What's going on, everybody? I just want to let everybody know about Hunter 1114. They are a sister company of JRL. As you know, I've gotten hooked on JRL lately. So any company that they are saying to get behind, I'm getting behind. That's just how I'm moving. I don't know if it's wrong. I don't know if it's right, but that's how my mind feels. So here we are with a nice array of different items from Hunter 1114. We got all kind of body wash, balms, holding gel, shaving cream, beard wash, beard conditioner, aftershave. As you can see, the design they are going for is more of a manly, old school feel, and I love it. I just dropped something, but I'm gonna get it in a minute. But I love what they got going on right here. I have yet to try the items, but here we are on a new week, and I will be testing out every single one of these products, or at least as much as I can before another week upon us comes, and I will be leaving a review on what I feel about each one of these products. They sent me a whole thing, and first of all, this case is amazing. Let me see if I can move some of this stuff out the way and show you this case here with their logo big and beautiful on this box. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff they sent me. A nice little case that came. As you see their logo, the old style. You found this in the attic. This looked like something Granddad had in the attic when he used to be a barber back in the day. This is beautiful. Nice, a lot of leather going on here. Look at that handle strap, the leather strap. Open this, nice little case. I got a lot of stuff from them, including their apron. Nice denim, heavy duty apron. I'm trying to get this while I'm holding the camera at the same time. Leather pockets, nice stitching, leather pocket here. I mean, this is, I mean, I wish y'all could feel the fabric. This is heavy, this is denim. This is blue jeans here. The stitching, this is nice. So I just want to, let everybody know about the new products that they have. Some of the new products they have. They also sent me a personal carrying case as well. Boom, put your shears in there. Put your trimmers in here. You got a home visit to do. Load up. You don't need to take everything. You take your cape, load this up with some items. You ready to go. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So again, I'll be trying out these products this coming week, and I'll let y'all know what I think about them. Aftershave. Whiskey, I don't drink, but I get it. I get it. Believe me, I do. The barbershop feel, which is part of the reason I bought this a long time ago on Amazon. Again, I don't drink, but I get it. So again, Hunter 1114, sister company of JRL. Like I said, I'm liking JRL so far. So whatever company they say as of right now that they working with, I'm working with them. So as you can see, boom.